You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words in English. The top word comes from French. Massage. It's pronounced either massage in British English or massage in American English. Two different pronunciations. The bottom word is pronounced as message, and both British and American English pronunciations are similar here. Message. So, massage in British English, or massage, that's your top word when you get, a massage after a game of sports. Massage. Or message, massage, or massage, and message. Different pronunciations. Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.